pizza.
Bro, this Domino's about to hit so hard. Oh my.
Hot honey.
I'm about to put you on something crazy. The 5-cheese pasta, top of pizza. But dude, I've tried this combo before. It was one of my big back ideas after a night out.
My favorite chips in the whole wide world.
Dude, what the fuck? The creamification factor on this is actually wild.
Hot honey rubbed cheese doodles. You don't understand.
Cheesy madness, man. I think I prefer that combo all with just garlic sauce. What y'all know about a pasta pizza sandwich?